You know, there are some people we meet only once or for a very short time, but they stay in our heart for years. You try to forget them, you try to move on, you distract yourself, but their memory comes back at the most unexpected moment. Why does this happen? Hi everyone, I'm Pia Pal, content creator, author, and soul coach. And today I want to talk about something extremely real, extremely human, and something I have personally lived through. Why you can't forget certain people even when you desperately want to. Sometimes a connection is not long, but it is deep. It doesn't matter if you dated or not. It doesn't matter if you were official or not. Your heart felt something real for the first time in a long time. You felt seen, you felt understood, you felt safe, you felt a softness you didn't even know you were missing. These experiences enter your nervous system. Your body remembered the feeling, not the person. And that is why forgetting becomes impossible. When someone emotionally awakens you, your brain releases dopamine, oxytocin, bonding hormone. Your body literally forms a memory of the emotional state you experience with them. So when they leave, you're not missing them. Your system is searching for that same emotional energy. You are missing the version of yourself you felt around them. Some connections defy logic. They don't make sense on paper. They don't fit into your plan or future, but your soul recognizes something. You feel pulled, you feel drawn, you feel something magical, something rare. And because it's rare, it's become unforgettable. And this happened in my life too. There was someone in my life we never dated. We never had a relationship, we were never official, we never even touched each other. It was all soul, never physical. But the connection was something else. Something I can't explain in simple words. For the first time ever, I felt seen without speaking. I felt understood without explaining. I felt safe in a way I had never felt before. It felt divine, it felt familiar, it felt special, but it was never meant to last. And letting go of something your soul connected to is one of the hardest things you will ever do. It took me years to move on, not because I wanted him, but because the connection awakened something inside me that I had never felt before. And here's the thing, this happened to so many of us. We don't struggle because the person was extraordinary, we struggle because the feeling was. Which brings me to something important. The memory returns because your mind felt alive with them, your soul felt recognized, your nervous system bonded, your inner child felt safe, your heart experienced depth. You are human, and humans remember emotional safety far more than they remember a face. This is the truth most people don't realize. You are not attached to them anymore. You are attached to the softness, the comfort, the aliveness, the emotional intimacy, the version of yourself you discovered with them. They awaken a part of you didn't know existed. And that version of you is what your heart actually misses. You don't forget someone by suppressing your feeling. You forget them by understanding the truth. They came into your life for a reason and they left for a reason. You let go by accepting it meant something, letting yourself feel, giving yourself closure, understanding the purpose, releasing them with gratitude, building a future that feels safer than the memory. You don't heal by erasing the past, you heal by expanding your life beyond the past. Your heart will open again, not for someone who confuses you, but for someone who matches your depth and understands your soul. If you are going through this, just remember you are not alone. Some connection don't come to stay, they come to transform you. You will heal, you will grow, and you will meet someone who feels like home. Not because they awaken your pain, but because they awaken your peace. Thank you for being here. Take care of your heart, guys.